Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an important decision you made. You should say what was the decision, when you made it, how you made the decision, and why was it important. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So I'm sure you must have made a lot of decisions in your life, right? Maybe after your 10th exam between choosing science, commerce or arts, or after your 12th exam, right? As to what stream you would be choosing. Or if you are working, there might have been some decisions as to which job or profession you should be choosing, whether or not you should be staying in India or you should go abroad and pursue a career, or decisions like choosing about your life partner as well. Some people also face these type of situations where they have to make a choice. You can use any of these ideas to answer this question. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Decisions are quite crucial in everyone's life as it helps in addressing both the issues as well as maximizing the benefits of available opportunities. And today, I would like to talk about an imperative choice that I had made after completion of my higher secondary education. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I was in a dilemma and was facing difficulties in making a selection between Bachelors of Science and Engineering streams. So, dilemma means when you are in a state of confusion, when you have to choose between two things and you are not able to do it. So, that is what is referred to as dilemma. So, you can also add this to your vocabulary list, and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and just write down the words as I'm telling the meaning so that you do not forget it later on. Alright, so we have answered the first 2 questions, which was what was the decision and when you made it. We still have 2 other questions remaining, which is how you made the decision and why was it important. So let's continue. Therefore, I consulted my teachers, spoke to some of my cousins in similar fields to know more about the prospects of both courses, as well as researched the internet and went through a lot of posts and articles to be aware of both the pros and cons of both the career options. So as you all can see, we have given a very relevant elaboration for the question, which was how you made the decision, right? Now pros simply means advantages, cons means disadvantages. So we use some better vocabulary word here. Also prospects means future opportunities. So you can add all these words to your vocabulary list and also use it in your conversation. And all these will later on enhance our band scores for the lexical resources part. Alright, so we still have the last question remaining, which is why was it important? So let's continue. Furthermore, after gathering all information, I had a talk with my parents and together we assessed all the alternative resolutions and came to the conclusion of pursuing Bachelors of Science. Finally, it was one of the most prime decisions of my life as I wanted to choose a path that would offer me a stable and secure job later on, while at the same time earning lucratively, leading to a bright, successful, and affluent future. So, for those of you who do not know what lucrative means, it simply means something that is high paying. Okay? Affluent again means wealthy. that means rich. So we used a better vocabulary word again. Now instead of repeating the word important again and again, we use a lot of synonyms, right? Like crucial, imperative, prime. So we are not kind of repeating the same word over and over, which will again enhance our band scores for the lexical resources part. So as you all can see, we used a range of connectors here like furthermore, additionally, therefore, moreover, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part. As for our fluency, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, neither we were getting stuck at some of the questions or words, right? We made sure that we were speaking quite smoothly. And also, our pronunciation was quite clear at all times, which simply means that the examiner was able to understand every word that we were trying to speak. So, all these will also enhance our band scores for the fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.